What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Quick Tips with Chris. Today's quick tip is going to quickly go over how to use the gear stocks in the Tesla Model Y and Model 3. It seems easy enough if you're coming from a Mercedes, but if you're coming from a Toyota or a Lexus or some sort of Japanese brand, it's like, what the hell? Now it kind of tells you what to do on the right gear stock with these letters, but it doesn't really make much sense. Now your right gear stock controls reverse, neutral, drive, park, and even the emergency brake. To shift into reverse with the foot on the brake while in park, press the gear stock all the way up. You can also do this while driving under 5 miles per hour without needing to put your foot on the brake. To shift into neutral when in park, lightly press the gear stock up or down. When in drive, lightly press the gear stock up, and when in reverse, lightly press the gear stock down. Now, if you need to tow your car or take it through an automatic car wash, go into service and you'll see the options there to keep the car into neutral, as the car will automatically go into park in any other case. And to go into park, simply press the middle gray park button. Then the Tesla will automatically go into park if you're on neutral, drive, or reverse, and open the door. And if you take off your seatbelt while on autopilot. And one cool thing is if you have a setting where only the driver door unlocks when in park, if you want to open all the doors quickly, once you shift into park, press the park button one more time and all the doors will unlock. Also, by default, the parking brake always enables by itself when in park. However, if your brakes fail and you need to enable the parking brake, you simply have to hold the gray park button. Anyways, hope that video helped you guys and see you guys next time.